Healthy carrot cake recipe. With the rise in the number of diabetics in the world, there has also been a rise in the search for sugar-free recipes such as carrot cake recipe. Here is a tried and tested mouthwatering and sugar-free carrot cake recipe that you can prepare at home and enjoy without any worry about the harms of sugar. Ingredient: carrot cake, 4 egg whites, 2 whole eggs, 1/3 cup of canola oil, 1/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 cup of apple juice concentrate, 1/4 cup of water, 3 cups of whole wheat grain flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of raisins, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, 2½ cups of fresh grated carrots, sugar-free cream cheese frosting for the cake, 1½ cups of cream cheese at room temperature, 1½ teaspoons of butter, 1 cup of Splenda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Directions: carrot cake. Preheat the oven to 350 F. Beat the egg whites until soft peaks are formed and it doubles in volume. Break in the eggs, one by one, and beat well. Add the applesauce, apple juice, oil and water and blend the mix well so that everything is well incorporated. In a bowl, sift together the whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon and grated nutmeg. Add the dry ingredients to the wet egg, apple mix and blend well. Stir in the grated carrots, add the raisins, and mix well. Grease 2 9-inch baking pans and pour the batter in the 2 pans equally. Smooth the tops. Bake in the oven at 350 F for about 25 to 30 minutes and then again at 325 F for about 10 to 12 minutes. Remove and cool on a wire rack before serving or applying frosting. Sugar-free cream cheese frosting for the cake. Beat the Splenda in a mixer to get a fine sugar mix. Add the cream cheese and butter to the mix and beat well to get a smooth mix. Mix in the vanilla extract. Let the mix stand for some time before using. To assemble the cake. Place one cake on a serving stand and apply a layer of frosting on the top. Put another cake on top of it and press lightly. Cover the cakes using the rest of the frosting from all sides. Cool the cake in the fridge for some time to let the frosting set before cutting up to serve. Note: use freshly grated carrots as the juices will keep the cake moist. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more recipes. This recipe is in the description below.